A woman pushes a truck on a railway platform which has a rough surface. She applied a force 100 Newton over a distance 10 meter. First 10 meter, 100 Newton force. Thereafter, she got progressively tired and her applied force reduced linearly to a distance to 50 Newton. The total distance she covered has been 20 meter. So, first 10 meter 100 Newton, second 10 meter progressively 50 Newton reduce. If the frictional force is 50 Newton, then total work done by the two forces over 20 meter is. Okay, let us draw this in a force distance graph so that we can able to understand it clearly. First, 100 Newton force. Force is 100 Newton over 10 meter. Till 10 meter, no change in her force. This is 10 meter. Okay, this is 10 meter. After 10 meter, her force reduced to 50 Newton and she traveled 20 meter. That means, இன்னொரு 10 meter, her force reduced to 50 Newton. She traveled a distance again. அப்போ இது ஒரு 10 meter, இது 20 meter மொத்த travel பண்ணிட்டா. Her force reduced to 50 Newton now. Okay, this is the work done by her. What about the frictional force? Frictional force is the negative force, minus F. That frictional force is act continuously 20 meter. Upon the 50 Newton force is act continuously. We can throw 20 meter. Clear? This full away frictional force. அப்போ நம்ம total work done கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இது work done in first 10 meter. 10 meter. இது W2, இது W3. Total work done W3. மூணை ஆட் பண்ணு. இது oppose பண்ற work done W4. So total work done is W1 plus W2 plus W3. Negative work done is W4, which is carried out by frictional force. Okay, what is the work done? Area 100 into 10, 100 into 10, W1. W2 is, it's a rectangle, half into base is nothing but 10. This is the base. Height is 50 into 50. This is W2. Plus W3 is again a rectangle. So 10 into 50. This is 10, this is 50. Minus the total length is 20 meter and 50 Newton negative into 50. அப்ப எல்லாம் add பண்ணுவோம் 1000 plus this is 500 by 2, 250 plus 500 minus 1000 plus 1000 minus 1000 gets cancelled. Answer is 750 joule of work is carried out by the lady.